The case that was before the Supreme Court was a consolidated set of several cases, our firm's cases, another firm's cases. But really, this issue regarding the records of child abuse is, of course, a statewide issue. It affected cases all across the state, hundreds and hundreds of them. In our cases, the lead plaintiff was a young woman with developmental disabilities named Tashi Morrison. And you can see in the court records and pleadings that, even the state social workers documented in their own words that some of the abuse that she survived was some of the worst abuse they'd ever seen, just absolute horrific conditions. It is that unfortunately all too common textbook example of a house of horrors where you had a bad set of foster parents who, unfortunately give a bad name to the many, many good intentioned people out there who open their homes to children that need a stable environment. That's just not what you had here. Unfortunately, a few years ago, and the Supreme Court's opinion notes this today, the state changed its position and said, well, no, all those records, unless they mention you specifically, the plaintiff, they're privileged. We won't turn them over. You can't get them. You have no access to them, through the courts or through any mechanism. And that's how we eventually made our way to the state Supreme Court.